let me introduce myself. My name is Amanda Lia. You can call me Amanda. NPM 1441151 MNJ 24D. Analysis Business Markets. A business market is a market consistent of the organizational or companies that propose product or the service for process, resale, or use in the third operation like consumer markets. Business markets have a more complex purchasing process and they influence many parents. The organizational buying process. The processing process within organizational is more structural than that of the individual customer. This process includes needs analysis, supplier evaluation, and the decision making based on the rational factor such as price, quality, and the long-term benefit. Targets of the organizational buying process. 1. Need recognition. The company recognizes a need. 2. Need description. Determine the accurate product specification. 3. Supplier search. Finding vendors capable of providing the goods or service. 4. Requests for proposal or of others. Reconcile qualification, proposal or the tenders. 5. Supplier evaluation, comparing price, quality, capital, service, and the responsion. 6. Supplier selection, selection the best vendor under negotiation. 7. Other process, creating a process order and the contract. And the last, supplier performance evaluation, assessing whether the supplier meets expectation. The characteristics of the process are rational, formal, hierarchical, and influence many parents. Buying center. A buying center is a group of the people within and the organizational influence in the purchasing process. Each person has a different role. Rules a buying center. Interpreter sells the new purpose needs. User, the party who will use the product. Influencer, the party who provide technical input or evaluation. The decision maker, the party who has the authority to select suppliers. Approve, the party who approves proposing the decision. Buyer, the proposing department, the negotiation and the character contract. Gatekeeper, the party who regulational the flow of information to select or the administration. Why is buying center important? Complex must understand who influence them to develop more effective marketing strategy. Understanding is buying process. To success is the business market plans companies must understand the parents' motivation and the factor the influence organizational purposing decision. Factor that influence organization purposing are environmental factor, economic condition, government regulation, supplier complexity, and the technology. B. Organizational factor, company objective, organizational structure, push purchase politics, and the tender procedure. In personal factor, including among buying counter members in rise of the S division, internal condition when select supplier. D. Individual factor, personality, technical experience, and the personal goals. Understanding purposes, motivation. Cost and balance, high quality, security of supply, technical support, long-term relations, and the good warranty and the after-sales service. By understanding all the tests, a market can tailor their approach and the offering. Understanding the buying process. A buying marketing process should be designed to meet the specific needs of the organization, not just to performance to individual buyers. Case strategy in business market. A business market segmentation groups consumer based on the industry, company size, location, technology use, operational needs. B. Purposing. Determining the product or the proposing, for example, affordable price, addictive technology, and service high experience. Value proposing. Quality products, competitive price, on time delivery, after sales service, technical support. The combination strategy, sales force, business presentation, tenders or proposal, supplier meetings, and the online managing business to business relationship. Managing relationship is the crucial because business transactions are the typical long-term and the high value. Transition relationships are the organizational purposes, not depth connection. Collaboration, relationship, both parents work together long-term. Partnership strategy, relationship, event sharing, risk and innovation. Co-character, supplier and the client character product are the solution together. Manage event B2B relationship. Establish regular communication. Providing responsive consumer service. Transparency in the printing and the work process. Performing problem resolution. Providing solution tailored to client needs. Maintain through stock consistent quality, long-term relationship and stable, lower consumer acquisition costs, innovation collaboration, stability of the demand, high client loyalty. Okay, thank you, bye.